Hey guys, Adam back with Witty. And once again, the third installment of our little GoPed rebuild remake video. Today, we got the carburetor. First thing I'm going to do here is I just got a bucket of soapy water. And I'm going to go ahead and try and clean this thing off, because it is nasty. Soapy water and an old toothbrush. And here's our diaphragm, right? So you can see the screen on there, and you see where it's got your diaphragm. Again, quite a bit of oil, I'm surprised. I might actually get my screwdriver and see if I slowly lift it off here. Come on, I'm in no rush. There it goes. Ta-da! Look at that gasket. And here's your main diaphragm. If you rip this, you're done. So this one I like to just try and just pop it off with just my fingernail. Hopefully I got enough fingernail in there. This is good too, because I can definitely feel when it's coming undone, and voila, look at that.
Every time I close my
go ahead and spray him all out. And what we're going to do is we're going to make sure to hit all of these little holes right here. When we're spraying, we're going to hit them all the holes.
I can't see where you coming from, but I know just what you running from.
And two of these bad boys go on, And of course it's on the inside. There we go. There we go. Well, I hope you guys really enjoyed this episode. I know I enjoyed cleaning this thing up. It's been fun so far. I'm going to keep these things going. I really can't wait until this thing's done. It's getting exciting now, right? So, hopefully parts will be coming in here in a couple weeks. And we can get rolling on something that's a little more exciting than carburetor cleanings and new decks. So, yeah. Thanks for watching.